Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you some top AI tools for UX designer that will help you improve your design process and create better designs with less time. A quick reminder, I share everything about UX from portfolio reviews, design craze, and career growth tips on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in this type of content, please feel free to hit the subscribe so you won't miss any of my future content. In an earlier video, I have shared my point of view on whether AI will replace UX design jobs. If you are interested on this topic, please feel free to check out that video. So long story short, I don't think AI will replace UX designer jobs in the near future. At the same time, I think we should learn how to use the tools. On one hand, Gen AI can boost efficiency, especially for tasks where people value productivity and reliability. On the other hand, Gen AI can play a creative role. It can help when you are brainstorming ideas or even discover things that you don't know. So the tools I will share with you today will cover both sides. Let's dive into it. So the first one is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like text based on context and past conversations. You can use it to draft project stories for your portfolio, web, or presentations. So what we're looking at is the homepage of ChatGPT. You can easily get started by logging in or sign up if you haven't used it in the past. The second AI tool I wanted to share with you is Midjourney. So Midjourney generates image from natural language descriptions called prompts. Similar to OpenAI's DALL-E and Stability AI Stable Diffusion, people can use Midjourney to create artwork for different scenarios. And from a UX design's perspective, this is a really powerful tool for you to go into the creative land, play with it, and generate all sorts of images in a small amount of time. On this website, you will see there is a button to get started, and there's also a showcase where you can see some examples of what kind of image that people have been generating using Midjourney. There are different ways you can write the prompt. If you are interested in this topic, also feel free to look at this video that I have created in the past talking specifically about Midjourney. If you are interested to try it, feel free to go here, click Get Started, where you will be guided to the Midjourney community on Discord or the web, where people are using this powerful tool to create fantastic characters and unique imagery from short text descriptions. Another tool I want to share with you is Wix Studio. Wix Studio is a flexible end-to-end platform for designers and agencies. The responsive editor has game-changing design tools like responsive AI, open platform capabilities, and one workspace to manage all your sites. It also has a whole set of AI tools that transforms how you work. There are AI image creator and text creator tools. You can adjust sections to fit different screen sizes with one click. You can ship quicker with an AI code assistant. Also generate and adjust your image right from the editor. Here is an example of how I quickly built a project page for my UX portfolio. You can click on Manage Projects to add any project, enter project name, description, and basic info you want to highlight. You can add and manage project pictures, move things around easily. And once you're done, just click Save and Close. It will take you right back to the editor view with the project page automatically popped up. You can of course customize text, layout, interactions, and other details. Here is a preview of the project page that I built with Wix Studio with just a few minutes. I think this powerful tool is such a game changer. It can really help you create amazing website in no time. Another tool I want to share with you is Adobe Firefly. So Adobe Firefly is a standalone web app available at firefly.adobe.com. It offers new ways to ideate, create, and also communicate while significantly improving creative workflows using Gen AI. Feel free to tap Get Firefly Free, and it will take you to this landing page where you can try this out. You can generate image from text. You can use a brush to remove objects or paint in new ones from different text descriptions. You can apply creative styles or textures to text. You can generate color variations of your vector artwork. You can create a 3D scene and use a text prompt to generate an image. You can also generate vector files from a detailed text description. You can also get inspired by looking at a gallery of some examples. One other tool I want to share with you today is Uizard. Different than the other tools that we looked at, Uizard is very much targeted for UX or product designer. And it is a tool that you can use to generate wireframes or high fidelity screens in a small amount of time. And on this website, you will learn that some examples of how it works. You can just start it generating ideas and apply different styles, and it will generate UI designs in a few seconds. It can also turn your hand sketch into wireframes and even hi-fi screens. It really streamlined the process from brainstorming early ideas to design iterations and generating high-fidelity design outcomes. It can also allow you to collaborate in real time with your teammates. This powerful tool can really help you from a range of things, from like creating a startup landing page to generating wireframes to even building a mobile app in high fidelities. So another tool I want to share with you is Runway. Runway AI is a startup building generative AI tools for multimedia content creators. Its focus has gradually shifted over the years to particularly on the video side. Its current flagship product is Gen 2, an AI model that can generate videos from text prompt or from any existing image. So on this website, there is a section especially about those AI tools where you can try to generate video from text, from video, or from image. There are also a couple of other tools like generate image or expand image. You can actually reimagine any image to change the aesthetics and style. You can also train custom models. For example, train your own custom AI model on specific subjects and styles. You can remove anything from a video with a simple brush stroke. The slow-mo any video feature can also help you turn any video into a super slow-mo footage. There are a lot more on the AI magic tools, so please feel free to check it out and explore on your own. This is all we have for today. We have reviewed some top AI tools for UX designer. I think those tools can really be easily applied in your design process, from idea generation to writing to come up with project stories and presenting your ideas into hi-fi screens and prototypes. But at the end of the day, I think the human touch will actually become even more valuable in the AI age, because as these technologies are becoming more accessible than ever before, people can really struggle with how to actually use these tools. So when we work on any design, any product, let's keep in mind that human is still at the center of all of this. If you have any comment or questions, please feel free to share with me. I would love to hear from you. See you next time. Bye.